Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. Let me know it, really see where I reside now. Put the time in while you always killing time out. And forget it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were watching, I was handling my minutes. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that